This is Waves of Bliss and Path to Enlightenment Mystery School, presenting Tranquil Mind Meditation Series, Phase 1, Session 1, Relaxation Techniques and the Art of Being. Hello everyone, this is Jim, and welcome to the Tranquil Mind Meditation Series. This is Phase 1, Session 1, Relaxation Techniques and the Art of Being. So take a deep breath. Sit on the floor with your legs crossed if possible. If you prefer to sit on a chair, please place your feet flat on the floor and sit with your back straight and with your shoes off. You may also lay down if you prefer, and if you fall asleep, don't worry, this is a relaxation meditation. So focus on taking long, gentle, deep breaths in and out through your nose, and we will begin. Focus on your breathing as you take your breath in, deep breaths all the way down. Imagine that you're pulling the air in all the way down your torso to the end of your spine, and that it is oxygenating your entire body. Every tissue, every molecule within your body is being oxygenated with life force, and pushing out of every tissue and molecule any dross, any pollution, and on the out breath you breathe all of that out of your body, taking in clear, fresh, clean air to oxygenate your body once again. As you take these breaths, focus on the top of your head and relaxing all of the stress from your body. Relax your head. Relax your jaw. Let the tension that builds in your temples flow down out of your head. Relax your brain. Are you clenching your jaw? If so, just relax your jaw and let all that tension move down your neck. Relaxing the muscles in your neck. Relaxing your shoulders. Relaxing your biceps, your arms, your forearms. Letting all the tension in your arms move out the tips of your fingers and out of your body. Relax your chest and focus on your heart. And focus on your heartbeat. Listen to your heartbeat. Listen to the rhythm and the pulse of your heart. And listen as it resonates with the sound of I am. I am. I am. As you continue to be aware of your heart pulsing and beating, I am. Feel the tension leave your torso, leave your lungs, all of your organs, your liver, your kidneys, your stomach, your intestines, moving down through your hips. All the tension is leaving your body as the heart beats I am. Feel the tension move down your thighs, your knees, through your calves, your ankles, and out the bottoms of your feet. Breathing long, gentle, deep breaths through the nose as our heart beats I am. Bring your focus back to your heart and the sound of I am. I am. I am. Concentrate on the beat of your heart, saying I am. When you meditate, you allow the energy of being to permeate through you. When you repeat this mantra, I am, you are acknowledging within yourself your being. You discover your divine source when you allow yourself to be. And when you acknowledge your beingness through the mantra, I am. I am. In the fast-paced Western way of living, we measure our value by how much we do. We are doers. We are constantly doing to accomplish our goal. We make to-do lists and we go about each day as fast as we can, trying to cross out as many activities as we can on our lists. And these lists are outcome-based. We measure the success, our success, by how the outcome of each completed task measures up to our and others' expectations. All of this adds an undercurrent of anxiety which further encourages us to do rather than be. We become deeply engrossed in doing, and while doing, forget about being. We forget that being is even an option. We forget to be in the moment and enjoy what transpires in each moment, because we are too busy doing and worrying about the outcome. Take a deep breath. Remember to breathe. And hear the pulse of I am. I am. When we meditate, even if only for a few minutes, we allow ourselves to be. We quiet the mind that is always ready to take us to our next to-do list item, and we remember our state of being. We connect with our I am essence, which is our own beingness. Through meditation, we can create a bridge between being and doing. Through meditation, we bring the state of being into our doing. Through meditation, we can awaken the witness within us. The witness is the observer. The witness is the part of our being that is always there, whether we are asleep or whether we are awake, always observing what we are doing without judgment. Whether we think we succeed or we think that we fail, the witness is always there at our side, perfectly happy in our performance and perfectly happy just to be with us. The witness is the bridge to connect our being self to our doing self. The witness watches us do and reminds us to be. We cannot afford to stop doing, because this is the nature of our Western world and we need to live in this world. But we can afford to live in witness consciousness. We can enjoy living this life and appreciating every moment of doing while we flow in being, in the I am, I am, I am. The witness who is awakened through meditation helps us to bring the I am into the I do. Then we do whatever it is that we do, imbued with the love, the heart energy essence of being, or I am. I am. I am. Then things take a turn for the better. We live in each moment, enjoying that moment, living each moment of doing, by being present in the moment and knowing just being in that moment, doing what we are doing, will always be good enough. Then we don't lose the joy of the moment while we rush to the end of each task by doing it as fast as possible, in anxiety over the outcome. We marry the being and the doing with the witness as our guide. The witness helps us calm down and feel the joy, the bliss, the love and the light of being. The witness calls the I am and makes the tasks of doing enjoyable. Focus on your breath as you hear your heart pulse. I am. I am. I am. Call your witness to awaken within. It is the witness who stands by your side, always reminding you, I am, I am, I am. For the next 24 hours, continue to connect to the sound of I am in rhythm with your heartbeat. Connect to the witness within, continuing to whisper in your ear, I am, I am, I am. If you can sit down, close your eyes and meditate. that is fine. But even when you're doing what you are doing, connect to the I am. I am. And call to your witness to be at your side, reminding you, even when you forget, I am. I am. I am. Until we come together again, this is Jim at Path to Enlightenment Mystery School. I thank you, and I wish you a good night.